Welcome back to another episode of Dan Does Cars, another episode in the series of the DRZ rebuild. A few things I want to get done today. As you can see now, I've got the engine fitted back in the frame. Also, the plan is to take the forks back out and put the headlight brackets in, because I did actually forget to fit those. Then I'll get the forks back in, start putting some engine mounts on, and go from there really. This is one of the new headlight brackets. Haven't unwrapped it yet. Brand new. Absolutely brand new. Somewhere in amongst all the shit, should have the rubber seals for this. Somewhere in amongst this lot.
One.
There's two. So I think I figured out which way around these go. I can always take them back off again if need be. Ooh. See the taper at the bottom? I think it'll give us a little bit more room to get them in a bit easier. If I can figure out which way they go. Yeah, see, that fits in a lot nicer on the other side. I think I'll take that one back out. The moment of truth.
This I really want to.
Praise the Lord. So lovely new headlight brackets on there. So I think now it's time to see if I can get that front engine mount on and then start mounting the radiators up, I think. So I painted these engine mount brackets up the other day. Oh god. Just the same colour as the side casings. I've just got the bolts to clean up. Then we can get these back onto the bike, get the radiators sorted out. That's the head of the bolt cleaned up. Just didn't want to put dirty bolts back on the bike, obviously. I put a bit of grease on there. A bit of grease on the threads as well. Okay, so now I've got the front engine mount on loose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tighten that up and take the bottom engine mount out, up, and also make sure the two brackets for the top engine mount line up as well. They'll be coming back off because I'm going to paint them, but for now I'm going to see if they line up. Just make sure the engine sits right in the frame as well. So just getting these engine mount bolts tightened up now, so I can get the engine located. The next plan is to get the radiators all fitted up, all the hardware. See about getting these fitted. Ow! Fuck. As you can see, the radiators on the bike before they were aluminium, but I've gone for some alloy ones, welded end tanks, just a lot better quality than the ones that were on there before. I'm going to use this O-ring off here. For good measure, I'm going to put a tie wrap around it. Same as the old one was. I had one of the spare Allen bolts, so I'm just going to put that in the top, just to act as a lead-off valve. they just mount on there, like that. If I can actually figure out what goes where. Pretty sure that one goes. Yeah, so I need 2 Jubilee clips. Not the best fit, but it's on. It's on. Make sure those Jubilee clips are tight. Neighbours have been very noisy today. So I've got this pair of radiators to do now. The magic of editing is going to make this look really straightforward.
It's such a bitch to get in.
Now I'm going to get this other side radiator mounted.
Right.
So I'm going to leave this video here for today. Got some good progress, good few bits done on the bike. New radiators mounted up, all that sort of stuff. I think next time, probably going to be looking at more the electrical side of things. Maybe even seeing about getting it running shortly. Once I get the front end, all the clocks, CDI unit, battery and everything back on, and I can start seeing about getting this thing fired up and see what it sounds like. So thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment if you like. It all helps the channel out.